Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video. Today I will be showing you guys what I received in my Allure beauty box for the month of May. This month is all about the glow, so I was super excited to see what was in there, and I was shocked and surprised. And yeah, this is how my makeup turned out by me using the products that came in the beauty box. So I did this whole talking thing already and I did not record any audio, so I am back and I have to record everything all over again. So yeah, when you open up the box you receive this pamphlet, and basically it tells you what the month, the idea behind the box is. This one is about glowing and get to glow. I definitely feel like I received that in this May box, and yeah, it just shows you all the products you'll be receiving for this monthly box. And yeah, and it also gives you the price of the product where you can buy it, and it also gives you some really cool coupon codes, so this is definitely gonna be handy. I received this beauty box through Amazon. I paid $15. I will be receiving my June box through Allure personally, and not through Amazon. So I just saw it on Amazon. I decided to just go ahead and get a subscription there, but then I also looked them up on Allure and just like feel it would be better just to get it from them. So for today's look, I only use I think 4 of these 6 things. Let's see, 2, 3, 4 out of these 6 things that I received in the box. So the first thing I did not use is this cleanser. This is the Acure Resurfacing Glycolic Unicorn Root Cleanser. This is an exfoliating cleanser, and that's the reason I didn't use it, because last night I did my skincare and I used an exfoliator, and yeah, I didn't want to be harsh on my skin and do the same thing again today. So I didn't use this, and I will be using it in the future, but just not today. So the second thing that came in the box that I did not use in today's video, you won't see me trying it because I'm going to show you guys everything that I try and tell you guys what I think about it. And the second thing is this mask right here. This is the Glamour base mask. It's just a jelly mask and it does whatever it says it does. Yeah, so it looks very interesting to try, but I didn't try it today because I also did a mask last night, and I just didn't want to do the same thing again, and I honestly don't need to. So whenever I need a mask, I'm going to use this one. So the first thing that I used in this box was the Curology moisturizer right here, and this is a sample size, and I think that this is a really good moisturizer. I've tried Curology in the past. I just did not know that they were still around, and they had extended their line of stuff. They have cleanser and a whole bunch of stuff. You could literally get a skincare regimen from them, and yeah, so this is their moisturizer. A little bit goes a long way. I definitely saw that when I put it on. A lot of this stuff that I'm going to show you guys have no scent to them. Like, you can't smell anything, which is good. You know, it's just better to not have so much scent on your face, so everything does not have a scent to them. So after I moisturized, I went in with a serum, and the serum that I use is this one. This is in the box. Can you read it? Oh, here it is. I'm trying to get it focused. There we go. So this is the Skin Ink supplement bar serum. This is my daily dose. It's just basically a nice serum. It has a whole bunch of stuff in here, and I was super excited. This, like, I saw this and I was like super excited. Like, it looks so pretty with the pink and blue balls in there. Like, this is really pretty. So I was super excited to use this serum because I have no serum in my makeup or skincare regimen. So I was super excited to use that and see what it looks like and how it feels. And I feel like that definitely changed my makeup game and routine. It's definitely going to change it. I definitely feel the hydration, the glow, and everything that this serum says it gives you. And I'm super excited. And this is going to be a statement in my makeup routine. So we're gonna go on to the next product, and the next product is this eye cream. It's the Hhc Eye Cream for your face. So I guess you can use this where you have fine lines, and it's gonna help it not crease when you put on concealer and makeup. So basically it's gonna settle into that, and your concealer and foundation won't. So I did this only on the right side of my face, and I definitely see a subtle difference in it, but not a whole change. So yeah, definitely this will be added to my makeup routine just to help me look more awake and youthful. I'm not saying that I don't, but it does something, but not to the extreme. So the last thing that I received is this highlighter. This is the VDL Luminar Highlighter. So definitely, I'm not, a big fan of it, but I don't hate it. So it definitely gave me the highlight look. And when I read it in the pamphlet, it said that they would use it as just on the highest point of your face, but I decided to use it as a full highlighter. What am I saying? As a full primer. So I saw, like, it's not I don't know. I'm just not here for luminizing primers. So if I do use this again, I will only use it on the highest point of my face, like on my cheeks and stuff where I want some highlight, but I won't use it as an all over face primer. So that's that. The sun is going in and out, so sorry for the lighting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know. Oh yeah, so also you guys can leave in the comment box which products you guys already have tried, or which product you guys want to try. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.